Tips for getting out of your comfort zone. During your career, you may encounter situations when you have to get out of your comfort zone and take some risks. A comfort zone is a low-stress situation or place where you feel at ease and are safe. Staying within your comfort zone is appealing because it avoids risk. Opening yourself up to the unfamiliar is usually more challenging, but allows for potential new experiences, skills improvement, and opportunities for both professional and personal growth. Why it's important to get out of your comfort zone. Although staying in your comfort zone can provide consistency, venturing out of it may help improve your job performance. Here's why getting out of your comfort zone can be good. It increases your productivity. When you decide to take on a new challenge or try a different approach to something familiar, you can create conditions for improving productivity. By pushing your boundaries, you may get a better understanding of your true potential and feel confident in handling more responsibilities and delivering better results. It improves your ability to adapt to change. As you become more adept at dealing with the unfamiliar, you're capable of staying composed and focused when a new challenge presents itself. This can improve your decision-making ability and make you less prone to errors. It promotes growth. Regardless of the outcome, you may expand your experience, knowledge, and skills when you leave your comfort zone. This can lead to professional and personal growth. How to get out of your comfort zone. You may be scared to get out of your comfort zone at first, but a few steps can help you prepare for the unfamiliar. 1. Discover more about the challenge. First, what does it mean to get out of your comfort zone? The more you know about a new challenge or situation, the less scary it becomes. You can overcome your fear of the unknown by finding out what you're getting into. Reviewing tutorials and articles online, reading books about the topic, and talking to subject experts can help reduce any uncertainty. After collecting enough information, you'll have clearer expectations and better knowledge as you prepare to handle the task. 2. Devise a plan. Next, you'll want to create an action plan to expand your boundaries. Start by identifying the major obstacles you'll encounter with this new challenge and what you'll do to overcome them. Then, write down each step you'll take to get out of your comfort zone, starting with the easiest task. You can also create benchmarks or mini goals to track your progress. 3. Take small steps. Taking small steps outside your comfort zone allows you to slowly familiarize yourself with a new situation and gain the confidence needed to achieve your goal. Divide your main goal into smaller, more manageable tasks so it won't seem too overwhelming. 4. Find accountability partners. Declaring your intention to get out of your comfort zone can help you gain the support you need to stick to your plan. Tell your family members and friends about your goal. If work-related and appropriate, tell your manager or a professional mentor. This will keep you accountable to others and more likely to stick with it. 5. Stay positive. As you try to leave your comfort zone, you have to ignore, or better yet, overcome, the negative feelings that may prevent you from achieving your goal. While you should prepare yourself to face unfavorable situations, try to stay positive and convince yourself you can handle any negative outcomes. See negative situations as opportunities to learn how to break free from your comfort zone. 6. Keep expanding your comfort zone. It's important to continually challenge yourself to overcome more fears. Identify other situations or tasks that make you nervous and follow our advice above to try to overcome these, as well. Confronting your insecurities one at a time may improve your ability to feel comfortable in more difficult situations.